How to get my Snapchat back after being permanently deleted. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get my Snapchat back after being permanently deleted. First, go to the help.snapchat website on the web browser. Then, it will show you different problems on Snapchat that you can solve by selecting any of them. By selecting the locked account option, you will see that an account can be temporarily or permanently locked. If your account is temporarily locked, you can try logging back in via the app or on the web by going here and selecting Unlock. If this method doesn't unlock your account, please wait 48 hours, then try logging in again. These methods may not work in some cases, such as when accounts have been permanently locked. If you've seen a message that the account has been permanently locked, Snapchat has detected some activity that violates their community guidelines or terms of service. You can report your problem here to get your Snapchat back after being permanently deleted. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.